Here's Pergy. Now, she got out of surgery about 10 o'clock. And it's now, oh, where's my watch? It is now 1:45. She's awake, but she don't want to be. And she was shivering and shaking when I brought her in, when they brought her to me. That's okay, baby. It's all right. You're okay. You're okay, baby. There's a little foot sticking out. They wrapped her up like they did the last time. Evidently, she's a bleeder, so they had to do a pressure bandage on her. So she's wrapped up like a cast. I can't cover her back up because she's cold. There's my baby. All right. It's my baby girl. It's my baby.